Yeah. Soulful, soulful, yeah. The shortest link from success to failure is if your parents never ever tell ya that you could be all those things that you dream about. Damn, that seem impossible, but one day you'll make it out. That box that they try to put you in, then you can take all that bullshit and ship it back to them. Then live in a place where laughter is, as long as you understand what the equation is. Money plus power minus cowards plus the hours that you stayed up to make sure your shit coated in frozen cups, plus the power to make the people that smile freeze up and say excuse me if I'm wrong, but that boy's a genius. Penis plus nuts makes me a man. Big Boy plus Andre made me a fan of hip-hop minus all the hoopla. Plus my brother joined the army, I could hear him say hoorah. I wouldn't be where I am if he didn't take that step, cause he's the one who put a computer up on my desk. Then I would search the internet for beats that I could wreck. It wasn't that hard, I already thought I was the best. That's cockiness plus confidence minus all the little demons in my ear telling me that I ain't gonna be shit. That shit hurt like a bee sting. Plus I'm still searching for the girl with a halo plus some wings. I'll be damned if I don't deserve a queen. I'm still a prince, but I'm fighting to be a king. Back to all those hours that I stayed up all night, multiplied it by 100, that'll be just right. Hold off on the equal sign, cause I got work to do. Plus, plus, multiply. I grind, plus I shine, minus the time, cause it always seems to fly by. It hurts to see them have it, it hurts to see us lack it. Kanye West, where's that spaceship? Gon' hit him and packing, cause I've been working this grave shift. And I swear I ain't made shit, and I swear I've been patient. Life too short to be waiting on another nigga's statement saying that you got it, but I had it since a baby. Y'all just finding out, OMG, is you crazy? Making songs that's gon' get me Grammy nominated. Plus my nigga make beats and he had faking. Told him give me a shot, but he won't let me take it. I hope that he don't take this as disrespect, but thank you. You taught me not to wait on another nigga to make it. Cause I shine like the moonlight, like people who get bit by werewolves and turn beast-like. Like I'm a beast-like, like give me the beat and let me write. And I guarantee when I get done with that bitch, it's gonna be just right. No lefts, cause I got nothing left. Fucking trash the booth, Dennis the Menace at his best. I'm already the best, but I'm trying to be the greatest. That's what they call you after your last breath is taken. Now take this and make it equal sign. The equation, equal sign. I gotta make it equal sign. One day I'll be the greatest. I'm out.